When I think about some of the trends in the API space, I think a big one that we are seeing is how APIs are consumed and how they're designed. We are starting to ask questions on what is the right question to ask when we think about inclusivity. As an API designer, are you asking questions on who's going to consume this information and are we presenting it in the right ways?
Just understand that no matter how much you automate it and how great a non-coded interface is, that you can't skip the step of designing amazing APIs. The automation is truly for people to be more strategic.
It's not the technology itself that makes the difference. It's everything around it, the community that you build, the support that you provide. And what we're going to see in the future is the emergence of several communities and adequate resources around APIs.
To really think of the design, what is needed, what are the needs of the consumers, and to design it properly. And also the developer experience, because this is consumed mostly, of course, by developers. So to really put attention on that and facilitate the lives of those developers.
APIs used to be a minority thing, that you could just ignore them or you could do whatever software and you might have APIs there. But actually right now everything is becoming APIs. We have machine learning and we have IoT and we have, blockchain stuff. We might have quantum computing in our hands quite soon in a kind of mainstream thing. And all of those are actually API related.
It becomes a lot more mainstream. When I started, I think it was really something very expert-oriented, pretty techy, and now people understand more and more what it is about.
The market changed, what people want is different, and so the change is in progress because the API is the products, not the only a backend of an application. We're able to create an economy around a simple services that we can call API.
The API economy now is not where it was a few years ago. We are now at a point where you've got different types of APIs. Some are RESTful, some aren't RESTful. You've got different platforms on which they're running. You've got different environments in which they're hosted. They're built in different languages. Every single team in an organization will be either building or consuming APIs or both.